Hi guys, Rob from Unichip here. Got a nice Nissan Patrol TB48 petrol engine come in for a Unichip install. Obviously we did some pre-runs before we installed the Unichip, and we can see this vehicle was running dangerously lean, sort of 16 to 1 and 18 to 1 AFRs, which is really dangerous for a petrol engine. We did some quick checks. We put a fuel pressure gauge on it, discovered that the fuel pump was below par, not supplying enough fuel pressure to the engine, making it run dangerously lean. We obviously replaced the fuel pump before we installed the Unichip. You can see now obviously the power's come up straight away, but more importantly now the mixtures are back into a safe range. These do run very rich standard, they're sort of in the 11s and 13 to 1 for a petrol engine, but now it's back to more like how it should be. Obviously then we went ahead and fitted the Unichip, and we can see now we've got the mixtures back to a more reasonable level, which will provide better fuel economy, better power. And you can see now the increase, it's making 140 kilowatts from the 105 that it had before it come in. Another reason why it's important to have your vehicles regularly checked on a dyno for maintenance purposes, not for just power and torque readings. Very important to check on your on the vital signs of your engine.